Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make tater tots. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey as we dive into the art of making homemade tater tots. In just a few steps, I'll guide you through the process, sharing tips to ensure your tots are crispy and flavorful. From grating the potatoes to frying them to golden perfection, we'll cover it all. So, let's get cooking and discover how to create irresistible tater tots right in your own kitchen. All right, let's break down the ingredients for homemade tater tots. First up, we've got russet potatoes. Now, these are your classic potato choice for tater tots. They're starchy and hold up well during frying, giving you that crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Next, we've got a blend of seasonings: garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, and of course, salt. These spices add layers of flavor to your tater tots, making each bite deliciously seasoned. To bind everything together, we're using a mixture of all-purpose flour and cornstarch. This helps hold the grated potatoes together, giving you that perfect tater tot shape. And last but not least, vegetable oil for frying. Now, you'll want to use a neutral oil with a high smoke point, like vegetable oil, for frying the tater tots. It ensures they cook evenly and develop that golden brown crispy exterior. Now, let's dive into the first step: preparing the potatoes. First, grab those russet potatoes and peel them. Then, using a box grater or a food processor fitted with a grating attachment, grate the potatoes. You want them to be finely grated to achieve that perfect tater tot texture. Once you've got your grated potatoes, it's time to get rid of excess moisture. Lay out a clean kitchen towel and place the grated potatoes on it. Then, gather up the ends of the towel and twist it around the potatoes, forming a bundle. Now, here's where the magic happens. Squeeze that bundle tightly, pressing out as much moisture from the potatoes as possible. This step is crucial because excess moisture can make your tater tot soggy instead of crispy. Once you've squeezed out all the moisture, your potatoes are ready to go. They should be dry and ready to absorb all those delicious seasonings we'll be adding later. All right, on to the second step: seasoning those potatoes to perfection. In a large bowl, take your grated potatoes and add in the flavor brigade: garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, and of course, salt to taste. Mix everything together really well, ensuring that every strand of grated potato gets coated with those delicious seasonings. You want each tater tot to be bursting with flavor. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Feel free to adjust the amounts according to your taste preferences. Want a little more kick? Add extra paprika or black pepper. Prefer a milder flavor? Go easy on the garlic and onion powder. Once everything is mixed to perfection, your seasoned potato mixture is ready for the next step. Moving to the third step: creating the binding mixture. Now that our grated potatoes are seasoned, it's time to add structure. In a bowl with our seasoned potatoes, we'll add all-purpose flour and cornstarch. These act as binding agents, holding our tater tots together during frying and giving them a crispy exterior. Mix everything thoroughly until the flour mixture evenly coats the seasoned potatoes. This creates a cohesive base for our tater tots. Once combined, our potato mixture is ready for its final form. Next step: shaping the tater tots. Take about a tablespoon of the potato mixture and shape it into small cylindrical tots using your hands. You can also use a tater tot press or a spoon to shape them. Feel free to get creative with the shape, but aim for uniformity to ensure even cooking. Whether you're rolling them between your palms or using a press, the goal is to create those classic tater tot shapes that we all know and love. Once shaped, our tater tots are ready to hit the frying pan and transform into golden brown deliciousness. Final step: frying those tater tots to crispy perfection. First, heat up some vegetable oil in a deep frying pan or a deep fryer. You want the oil temperature to reach 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures that our tots cook evenly and develop a golden brown exterior while remaining crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Once the oil is hot enough, it's time to carefully add our shaped tater tots. Be sure not to overcrowd the pan, as this can lower the oil temperature and result in soggy tots. Fry them in batches, giving each tot enough space to crisp up nicely. Now, let them sizzle away in the hot oil until they turn a beautiful golden brown color and become crispy. This usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes per batch, but keep an eye on them and adjust the cooking time as needed. Once they're done, use a slotted spoon to carefully remove the tater tots from the oil and transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. And there you have it, crispy homemade tater tots ready to be enjoyed. Once they're all on the plate, it's time to serve them up hot and fresh. Grab your favorite dipping sauce, whether it's ketchup, barbecue sauce, or any sauce you love, and get ready to dig in. Now, all that's left to do is enjoy your homemade tater tots, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. Tips for perfect tater tots. Even sizing. Shape the tater tots into uniform sizes to ensure they cook evenly. This helps prevent some from being overcooked while others are undercooked. Oil temperature. Maintain the oil temperature around 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius throughout the frying process. Consistent temperature ensures crispy tater tots without absorbing too much oil. Don't overcrowd. Fry the tater tots in batches, leaving enough space between them for even cooking and crispiness. Overcrowding can lead to uneven cooking and soggy tots. Seasoning variations. Get creative with your seasoning. Experiment with herbs like thyme or rosemary, or add grated cheese to the potato mixture for extra flavor. Customize according to your taste preferences. Make ahead. Prepare the tater tots in advance and freeze them. When ready to cook, fry them directly from frozen, adding a couple of extra minutes to the frying time. This makes for a convenient snack or side dish anytime. Now enjoy your homemade tater tots.